Get the fish. Get that fish. Why are you scared of your fish?
Can't so scare the mice.
Oh, Bruce Beach died. Oh. Bruce Beach.
I have no idea what's in Princess Toast, but thanks to this USP seal, I know exactly what's in my new gummies.
His father.
Nature Made has the first gummies verified by USP, a nonprofit organization that sets purity and potency
Really, you went
standards.
and bought a meatball sub, and there's meatballs there.
Those meatballs are dead.
Yeah, well, these are meatballs.
Alright.
Hey, they don't want to go to waste. I got like 30 hours of meatballs. It's not cheap. Jack!
Oliver's such a nice cat.